musician, and there are a lot of people who know you, but for the sake of those who don't know you, kindly introduce yourself.
My name is One of the Kubolo. Okay. I'm an aimless person. Yeah. I'm just aimless because I don't have anything to do from here. Just in the world.
Alright, so I like that the producer of this particular for the artist.
Yeah. Sigo Atambire. And Kologo from Namo and Upper East. We worked for about 10 years together. He's been in my band called African Beats. And the time reached and we had somebody who decided to help us produce his own album, solo album. So that's what we are on. I think we are in the cast with maybe sorry. Yeah, so we produced this event tonight with Abaju, and our manager flew in from Mauritius. He's the one who financed the album because he perceived Tom. Very good night. I think it's the biggest crowd we've got here at Abaju. People were dancing, people enjoyed the music, and they've seen something new.
So what do you think the future is like for Steve?
When you go to Mali, they have Salif Keita. You go to Senegal, they have Isundor. They have these big people all over the world. And in Ghana too, I believe, you go with somebody who can also reach that level and beyond. Just like right now, we have somebody like Aisoba accomplishing. We have a good Taylor. We have there's many. I mean, there's not many actually. There's few people that are on that level. And I believe people can get to that level and beyond. That's why I've invested my energy.
For those who don't know Steve, what do you want to say to them for them to maybe get to know him and then follow his music?
He's a very lively, funny guy. He cares about people, but he's stubborn. He's a very good musician, very good voice. He writes well. He's not like pen, but I mean he can create his lyrics well. His handwriting is not nice. Yeah, and he's very good at what he does. You know, very passionate about the music, and he doesn't feel fine. If he wakes up in the morning, he doesn't play his instrument. He doesn't feel fine. So he's somebody who's dedicated to what he's doing.
Okay, so what do you have for your fans out there? What should they expect from you?
I do have anything for my fans. The thing that I'm being holding is only for me, and I'm eating it alone.
Okay, so talk to them about Hausa television. Talk to your fans.
Oh, Charlie, I wish I would speak Hausa. You know, I was there at Salam down, and once in a while I go to Nimaba. The only thing I know is Adan Kadam, Nagode, Obe, Suliata. They're good words, only the good stuff.
So encourage them to keep them.
Please, don't be a mistake in life like me. Learn Hausa, so that when you can see a nice Hausa girl, you have some lyrics for her.
Thank you. Sibo is just time. I'm not saying it. It was my birthday, so this is my bed mat.